Curried carrot and quinoa soup recipe. Yield, 4 servings. Prep time, 5 minutes. Cook time, 35 minutes. Total time, 40 minutes. Ingredients: soup. 2 teaspoons 10 milliliters olive oil. 1 large yellow onion, diced. 2 large cloves garlic, crushed. 1.5 vegetable bouillon cubes. 4 cups 1L water. 3 medium carrots, coarsely chopped. 2 medium potatoes, coarsely chopped. Half a teaspoon garam masala. Half a teaspoon turmeric. 1 teaspoon 5 grams curry. 1/4 of a teaspoon allspice, optional. 1/2 cup 85 grams dry quinoa. 1 cup 250 milliliters water. Ingredients, optional garnish: raw or roasted carrots, quinoa, fresh or dried herbs of your choice, caramelized onions not pictured. Directions: 1. In a large pot on high heat, cook the onion in oil. Add 1 tablespoon water and stir as needed to avoid burning. Repeat, adding water and stirring until the onions lightly caramelize, about 15 minutes. 2. Add the crushed garlic and cook while stirring until lightly golden, about 2 minutes. Then add the remaining ingredients, except the dry quinoa, bring to a boil, and reduce to a simmer. Cook uncovered until the potatoes are cooked, about 20 minutes. 3. In a separate small pot, bring the quinoa and water to a boil, then reduce to a simmer and cook uncovered until quinoa is cooked, about 15 minutes. 4. Using an immersion blender, puree the soup to the desired consistency. If using a blender, I recommend blending half. Remove the pot from the heat to avoid splatter after the soup has been pureed. Stir in the quinoa or use it as a garnish on top. Enjoy. Notes: 1. Speed it up. Using a food processor to coarsely chop the carrots and potatoes saves lots of time on preparation. They don't have to be cut perfectly, given half will be pureed anyway. If you don't want to cook the quinoa separately, you can add the dry quinoa and 1 cup water to the soup about 5 minutes after adding the potatoes and carrots. Cooking it this way means some of the quinoa will be pureed also, which is okay. 2. Leftovers. Batch cook this soup and freeze for a quick soup on demand. 3. Storage. Store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 4 days. Store in an airtight container in the freezer for up to 2 months. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For most informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel.